Top 10 Most Common Diseases in the World. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more videos and top 10 everything, subscribe to the channel. When you have a look at an impending form of health ailment or disorder, you call it a disease. Some of the diseases are life-threatening and need immediate medical help, while some diseases are milder ones that can be cured just with minimal lifestyle changes. You need to take care of yourself well if you want to lead a disease-free life. 10. Alzheimer's disease. As a general contention, Alzheimer's disease is just thought of as a loss of memory. But you have much more to the whole thing. It is a progressive disease that destroys memory. Then other normal mental functions are also disrupted one by one. 9. Diabetes. Diabetes is a disorder that is caused due to the dysfunctionality of a hormone named insulin. The pancreas either doesn't produce insulin at all, else it produces too little insulin, or the insulin is not used effectively at all. Insulin is a pivotal hormone that converts sugar into glucose. When this hormone is not produced at all or is produced in insufficient quantities, the sugar in the food never gets converted into glucose. The sugar stays in the bloodstream as well. 8. Respiratory cancers. These are cancerous cells formed near the trachea, lungs, bronchus, and larynx. These cancers are mainly formed due to three main reasons. These include active smoking, passive smoking, environmental toxins. 7. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Chronic obstructive heart disease can conveniently be abbreviated as COPD. COPD refers to a progressive lung disease that makes breathing very difficult. COPD's progression can be slowed down with proper medication. Timely diagnosis saves half the trouble, especially with the treatment or cure of diseases. 6. Tuberculosis. For more exciting videos, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Tuberculosis can be abbreviated as TB. It is a lower respiratory disorder that has grabbed the lives of 10.1 million people worldwide. TB is mainly caused by a particular type of bacteria named Mycobacterium tuberculosis bacterium. It is contagious and can spread from one infected person to another by air. 5. Bronchitis. You find another lower respiratory disorder named bronchitis. The other name given for this type of disorder refers to asthma or wheezing. You have shortness of breath and you have trouble breathing well. Asthma can be a genetic disorder. In other words, if your mom or dad had inherited this in the past, it is more likely for the offspring also to catch hold of this. 4. Pneumonia. Pneumonia is another lower respiratory infection that can cause severe damage to one or both of your lungs. Infants under 2 years breathe very fast and have the tendency to catch pneumonia. The disorder can most likely impact adults over the age of 65 years and above. 3. Influenza or flu. This is the third detrimental disorder that can impact your overall sense of well-being. The disorder is caused when your lungs or airways get blocked. Flu is one of the most common diseases in humans. This happens mostly when you stay in high altitude or mountainous regions. You do not get complete access to free-flowing oxygen. And you also get the disorder when your nasal passages are blocked, over a prolonged period of time. 2. Stroke. Generally, a stroke occurs when an artery of the brain gets blocked or starts leaking. Oxygen-deprived cells of the brain start dying, one by one. Again, this is one of the deadliest infectious diseases, as it attributes to 11.1% of deaths worldwide. When you are impacted with a stroke, you feel sudden numbness or find trouble walking or seeing. When untreated, a stroke can cause 100% irreversible paralysis and also lead to other long-term disabilities. 1. Ischemic or coronary heart disease. Ischemic heart disease is also referred to as a silent heart attack. The blood supplying veins to the heart muscles temporarily gets blocked. Silent heart attacks, when left untreated, can be fatal as well. Heart disorder causes 15.5% of deaths worldwide. This disorder is also referred to as coronary artery disease or CAD. This is Harry for Top 10 Everything. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.